In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this lattice animation in 3 minutes. Let's create a cylinder. R, X, and 90 to rotate the mesh 90 degrees on the X-axis. S, and Y to scale in the Y-axis. In edit mode, Ctrl R to place a loop cut. We need 50 cuts. Right-click and shade smooth. In edit mode, type 3 to face select. Let's extrude the end faces inward by using I to extrude inward. Time to create a lattice object. Please match my settings. Let's add the lattice modifier. The target mesh's shape will only change when the shape of the lattice is changed in edit mode. Shift Z to wireframe, and select the middle vertices like this. S to scale. Let's use the proportional editing. Just the way we animate meshes, we can animate the lattice in Blender. On frame 1 and 100, let's hover the mouse over the location, and type I to set a keyframe. I have changed the last frame to 100. We need to go to frame 50, move the lattice, and set a new keyframe like this. Let's play the animation. Time to hide the lattice. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.